We are one, came to fight us. Let them come and try us. We gon' stand together. Put our hands together. We are one, came to fight us. Let them come and try us. We gon' stand.
Oh, hello there, my lovely stallions. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. Have you ever had moments or periods in your life where you just feel super uninspired and just very unmotivated to do anything? Where you just kind of feel like everything in your life is just kind of stagnant or moving at a pace that is just kind of demoralizing in a sense. Well, I've been going through that lately. I've just been experiencing a lot of that, just feeling very low and just not inspired at all. As you guys clearly can see, I've been away from my channel for quite some time, I think a couple of months, and mainly because I was focusing on school and it was just like really stressful. I had too much to do and just I didn't have time to sit down, film a video, edit it, and upload it on time. So I decided, you know, let me just focus on school and I will eventually go back to my channel. But then once the semester was over, I found it very difficult to kind of get back into the zone or back into the groove of, you know, making videos and stuff like that, because I still had a lot of baggage from the semester, all that stress and pressure and just everything. I just felt really drained, and the last thing I wanted to do was to come on here and put up a front and, you know, make it seem like I have things all figured out and, like, you know, make it seem like I'm feeling super positive when I really wasn't. And so that break that I took, that impromptu break that I took, kind of made me feel like, what is my channel again? What am I supposed to be doing again? And I completely just was like, ugh, I don't know what to do with it. And I don't want to lie, I felt very, I think I was on the verge of just quitting and being like, you know what? No more videos, no more YouTube. I'm just gonna focus on just my Facebook page or whatever, because it was just a bit too much. But then the other day I figured, I sat by myself and I started to think, wait, why did I start this channel? Why did Stallion Vlogs become a thing? Why did I want to, you know, make videos? And that kind of brought me back to, it kind of brought ideas back, and I just had this, suddenly I felt kind of inspired, because I started to remember exactly why I started doing this. I remember where I was when I actually started this. I was in a very low place when I decided to make videos. I was in an extremely low place. I felt super depressed. I was in a place that I wasn't really happy being in, and I didn't know what to do, and I felt very alone. And so I decided to make videos because I felt like that was a way for me to, I used my videos as kind of an outlet, and that was my outlet. And then it just evolved into me wanting to use my channel to help other people and to give advice to people and to just offer advice to people who don't necessarily know don't really know what is life, you know. And I wanted to share my personal experiences in a way that I wanted to share my personal experiences with people to kind of give them, you know, that, oh, there's actually somebody who goes through the things that I go through, and kind of just have that person that is kind of, you know, relatable in a sense. It was therapeutic for me, and I wanted it to be therapeutic for other people. I wanted to be that person that, you know, you can just easily reach out to me, email me, Facebook me, whatever, and just seek advice or just someone to talk to. Because when I started this channel, I had nobody to talk to. I felt alone. I felt I felt alone in a space that is full of so many people. And that was depressing. And I don't want anybody to ever go through something like that or experience something like that. And that's why I started my channel. And so when I thought about that, and I thought about why I started it and what I want to achieve with this channel and where I want this channel to go, I felt super inspired. I felt motivated again. I felt like maybe I still have it in me. I still have that in me. Why? Because I still have that passion. So I wanted to make this video to reach out to someone right now who might be feeling like they just want to quit, who just doesn't feel motivated to do the things that they love anymore, who wants to quit school, who wants to quit, their job just because they just feel tired or whatever reason. I don't know what your reason might be. Before you make that decision, I want you to take a moment by yourself and just think, why did I start this? Why am I doing this? Where do I want this to go? And if by the end of that little, that moment by yourself, if by the end of that moment you feel like the reasons just aren't valid anymore and you're just not passionate about it anymore, then you can let go. But chances are you're going to find that one little thing that's going to just keep you going. And for me, what keeps me going is knowing that I'm going to be able to reach at least one person. One person is going to be affected by what I share, I meant to say. And that's what keeps me going. I want to help someone. I want to be there for that one person. And if I give up on that, if I give up on this channel and I give up on that person, I just don't know. So I wanted to make this video, this being my first video back after a really long time, because it's kind of, in a sense, a life update, but not really. So yeah, I'm back. I'm glad to be back. I hope you're happy that I'm back. I'm excited to make more videos. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you want me to talk about something in particular, feel free to leave a comment. If you want a specific video, like, just go wild. Just leave a comment below. Let's talk. Advice, you can Facebook me, private message me. My email address is also in the description box below, so feel free to use that as well. I would love to talk to you. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do and join this amazing Stallion Nation. I love you guys to bits. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.